Welcome! If you remember, on our last lesson, we talked about the climographs and we create one. So, climographs are simple graphics where we represent temperature and precipitations. As I said, they are simple but useful because we can create connections between climate and human conditions or lifestyle. What do we need to create a climograph? We need a few things, as you can see here. It's really important to have a graph paper and at the beginning use a pencil. Okay, so for the first climograph, take the data from the photocopy. Firstly, write the months, then draw two vertical lines on the left for the temperatures and on the right for the rainfall. Remember that the precipitations are always a multiple of the temperatures. In this case, temperatures are twice the precipitation. So as you can see, we put 10 in temperatures and it's the same as 20 in precipitations. Just in this case, you will see that for each climograph, maybe you have to change these numbers. If you want the data to your climograph, it would be really useful when we start working with it. But you should start with the temperatures and then complete the precipitation. Remember that temperatures always in red and just with a line, and temperatures in blue bars. Wait a minute, I just said temperatures for both? No, see? It's easy to make mistakes, so be careful. Temperatures, red, precipitations, blue bars. Okay, now that we have our climograph, let's see how to analyze it. These slides contain information really useful for our commentary because depending on the temperatures and the precipitations, we are going to be able to classify each climate. Read it carefully and use it for your commentaries. Here I add a map with the climate zones of the Earth and finally the main characteristics of the hot, temperate and cold climates. In order to write a commentary, we are going to use the IDAC technique. I give you the first one completed. You only have to copy it on your notebook, and for the rest climographs, use the same structure and adapt it to the different data. Obviously, you can use the same introduction and description for all your commentaries. The only part that you have to change is the analysis and the conclusions. Remember to write in the conclusions the type of climate. You will see that it's really easy, so good luck!